If you need to reset your password for your Fidelity Investments account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Fidelity Investments website. Go to the official Fidelity Investments website using your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure security. Step 2. Click on Login. Locate the Login button on the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page where you will find options for password recovery. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use iStroke to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Fill in the required fields and submit the information. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Check your email for a password reset link sent by Fidelity. Click on the link and follow the instructions provided to create a new password for your account. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance.